I stand. I'm here before you today with a heart overflowing with gratitude. I am thankful, deeply and sincerely thankful to God for everything He has done in my life. When I look back of my journey, at every challenge, every breakthrough, every moment that shaped me, I can confidently say God has been so faithful. His hand has been upon me, guiding me, strengthening me, and carrying me through. He never leaves me nor forsakes me. There were times when I felt lost, times when I wondered if my prayers were even being heard, times when I almost gave up, but God never left me. In those quiet and painful moments, He reminded me that He works even I cannot see it. He moves even when I don't feel it, and He listens even to the softest whisper I did. My journey here in Australia has been filled with trials that tested not only my patience but my faith. There were challenges, uncertainties in my future, and moments where I felt far away from everything familiar. But looking back now, I realized that every trial was shaping me, strengthening me, and preparing me for the blessing I am living in today. In Romans chapter 8 verse 28 says, "And we know that in all good things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. And truly God worked everything for my good, even the things I didn't understand at the time, even the things I cried about. I now see that God was guiding me to something better, something meant for me. I am living today in the very prayers I once prayed with trembling hands and a hopeful heart. I am here as a proof that God listens, proof that God remembers, proof that God answers in His perfect timing, and proof that no tribulation is stronger than the love and purpose He has for His children. Through every storm, He surrounded me with good people. My Hope Church family, who continuously prays for me. My family in the Philippines, who uplift me. And my workmates and friends who support me. God placed these people in my life, not by accident, but as a part of His perfect design. They became His hands that comforted me, His voice that encouraged me, and His presence when I needed strength. Today, I am here as a living testimony of God's goodness. The blessings I have, the opportunities I received, the people around me, the place where I am now, none of this happened by accident. They are a result of a faithful God who hears, who answers, and who transforms lives. Jeremiah 29:11 has always been my anchor. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. This verse reminded me that no matter how difficult my journey became, God's plan was always good. His purpose was still intact, and His promises were still true. I learned something very powerful in my journey. Prayer works. Prayer changes things. Prayer opens doors that no person can shut. Prayer brings peace when everything feels overwhelming. Prayer strengthens the weak, lifts the broken, and reminds us that we are never alone. So I want to encourage everyone who's here today. Keep on praying, even when it's hard, even when you feel tired, even when you don't see the answer yet. Keep praying because God is listening. Keep declaring God's promises over your life because His word never returns empty. Keep believing because God is already working behind the scenes. And today, I give all the glory back to God. Every blessing I have, every opportunity I receive, every miracle I experience, and every answered prayer, I owe it all to God. I am here not because I am strong, but because God has made me strong. My heart is overflowing with thanksgiving. God has been so faithful yesterday, today, and He will continue to be faithful in the days to come. And as I continue this journey, I hold on to His promise, trusting that the same God who brought me this far will continue to carry me forward. In Jeremiah chapter 33, verse 3, God says, "Call to me, and I will answer you, and show you great and mighty things you do not know." And I have seen this come true in my life. Today, I am just so thankful. I am transformed. I am a living proof that God responds to persistent faith, to surrendered hearts, and prayers spoken in hope. To God be all the glory. Thank you.
Let's sing You Give Life. You give life.